Jai Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Genuine Funda. Today I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like a shortcut technique of multiplication. Find 347 into 111 equal what? We all know the normal technique of this multiplication. But today we learn and teach shortcut technique of this multiplication. Then time will also be saved in our competitive exams. Let's start without wasting time. Trick 347 into 111. Next, count right to left 7 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 3, 3. Next, 7 equals 7, 7 plus 4 equal 11, 7 plus 4 plus 3 equal 14, 4 plus 3 equal 7, 3 equal 3. Next, 7 equals 7, 11 equal, write down 1 and carry 1. 14 plus carry 1, 15. 7 equals 7, 3 equals 3. Next, 7 equals 7, 1 equal 1. 15 equal, write down 5 and carry 1. 7 plus carry 1, 8. 3 equal 3. So answer is 38517. Similarly, 645 into 111 equal what? Answer is 71595. Similarly, 7346 into 111 equal what? Answer is 815406. Find 777 into 77 into 7 equal what? Trick 777 equal 7 into 111. 77 equal 7 into 11. 7 equal 7. Next, 7 cube. 7 cube, that means 7, 7, 7 into 111 into 11. 7 cube equal 343 into 111 into 11. Firstly, multiply 343 into 111. Firstly, write down 3, 3. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. 3, 3 into 11. 3 equal 3, 3 plus 4 equal 7, 3 plus 4 plus 3 equal 10, write down 0, carry 1. 4 plus 3 equal 7 plus carry 1 equal 8, 3 equal 3, 38073 into 11. Firstly, write 3 equal 3, 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7, 7 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 3, 3. Next, 3 equal 3, 3 plus 7 equal 10, carry 1. 7 plus 0 equal 7 plus carry 1 equal 8. 0 plus 8 equal 8. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Write down 1, carry 1. 3 plus carry 1 equal 4. So answer is 418803. Similarly, 666 into 66 into 6 equal what? Answer is 263736. Similarly, 888 into 88 into 8 equal what? Answer is 625152. Find 42 into 48 equal what? Tricks 42 and 48. 2 into 8. 2 into 8 equal 16. 4 into 4 plus 4 equal 20. So answer is 2016. Similarly, 63 into 67 equal what? Answer is 4221. Find 96 into 97 equal what? Tricks 96 minus 3. 3 that means 100 minus 97 equal 3. And 4 into 3. 4 that means 100 minus 96 equal 4. 96 minus 3 equal 93. 4 3s are equal 12. So answer is 9312. Similarly, 92 into 98 equal what? Answer is 9016. Find 104 into 106 equal what? Tricks 104 plus 6. 6 that means 106 minus 100 equal 6. And 4 into 6. 4 that means 104 minus 100 equal 4. 104 plus 6 equal 110. 4 6 are 24. So answer is 11024. Similarly, 102 into 109 equal what? Answer is 11118. Find 107 into 116 equal what? Tricks 107 plus 16. 16 that means 116 minus 100 equal 16. And 7 into 16. 7 that means 107 minus 100 equals 7. 107 plus 16 equal 123. And 7 16s are 112. Next, 1 2 3 plus 1. This 1 plus 3. 1 2. 1 2 plus 1 plus 3 equal 4. And 1 2. 1 2. So answer is 12412. Similarly, 112 into 119 equal what? Answer is 13328. Find 135 into 98 equal what? Tricks 100 plus 35 minus 2. 35, that means 135 minus 100 equal 35. And 2, that means 100 minus 98 equal 2. 35 2s are 70. Next 100 plus 33. 33, that means 35 minus 2 equal 133. So 133 00 minus 70 equal 13230. This is answer. Similarly, 147 into 93 equal what? Answer is 13671. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.